Well, it's time now for our Bloomberg Quick Take, where we provide context and background on issues of interest. And this time we're going to be talking about bonds, but not just any bond. In times of crisis, so-called vulture investors swoop in to buy the cheapest, most troubled assets, giving desperate sellers an opportunity to exit. Now, the investors get a chance to profit from other people's disasters. The aggressive measures vultures have taken to recover money owed by struggling governments, including an epic battle over Argentina's debt, have prompted concerns about the power of these investors. Here's the situation. Goldman Sachs came under fire in Venezuela in May after its asset management unit bought bonds issued by the state oil company at a steep discount. Critics dubbed these bonds hunger bonds because Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro has been cutting imports of food and medicine into Venezuela to conserve cash and continue bond payments. Meanwhile, it took Argentina 15 years to settle a dispute with a group of creditors that started in 2001. The holdout bondholders were led by Paul Singer of hedge fund Elliott Management. And this isn't all confined to Latin America. Amid Greece's financial troubles in 2015, vulture investors bought its distressed government bonds, betting correctly that the country would reach a deal with its creditors. Here's the background. The simplest version of vulture investing involves buying liabilities of once struggling companies such as American Airlines, with the hope that the investments will regain some of their lost value as the companies restructure. More controversial is the trade in government bonds. The practice is estimated to have returned vultures as much as 20 times their original investment. Vulture funds got their start during the 1980s Latin American debt crisis. Here's the argument. Critics of these vulture funds say their success in the Argentina case could make it harder for distressed countries to restructure debt by encouraging holdouts. For their part, vultures say that they're simply standing up for their right to get paid and enforcing the rules of business. You can read more about vulture investors and all of our quick takes at NI Quick on the Bloomberg.